So in this video I'm going to teach you how to install this roller blind 1.8 by 2.1. Alright, let's take it off. Remember, if you want to take it off, don't cut the plastic covering in case you want to take it back. So all you have to do, get one of these butter knife and push up. There are clips in here, they come off pretty easy. Just pull it out. Here are all the accessories. You get the rest. So here are all the accessories. These are some instruction how to install it. These are the hooks. So I'm going to install it just on this window here. It's gonna stay outside. So maybe from there all the way back there. So it's gonna be outside of the window eaves. What we're gonna do first, measure up, then install these brackets. So it's gonna be top mounted. So it's just gonna go like that. So the rods is gonna end up on this side on the right. Alright, let's get it done. As we said, our roller blind is wider than the window, as you can see. So what we're gonna have to do some calculation, make the roller blind even length from the right hand and the left hand. I'm gonna show you how it's done. So what we do first, the inside width of the window, just gonna go with the tape from the left to the right. So we have roughly 1625 from inside to inside, 1625. So we have the window is 1625. So that's the width of our window. And what we're gonna do, so we have the width of our window is 1625. That's inside to inside. And our curtain is 1800. That's finish. So what we do, 1800 minus 1625. Now we have 175. 175 we divide it by 2 ends up 87.5. 87.5 on the left, 87.5 on the right hand. And that's gives us the center of the window. So I already made the marks. It's here, from here to there, 87.5. On this side too, from here to there, 87.5. Let's give us the center of the window. I'm just gonna mark it. So it just goes like that. Now we're gonna mark the other side as well. Same thing. That's it. So we're gonna go out 25 mil. So just 25 mil for the curtain. So easy, there's a gap to roll down and up. So that's where our hook is gonna stay. It goes like that, leaving a gap in here for the roller. I already got a studs in here. It goes all the way through. Just drill straight away to the ceiling and it will grab. I'm going to use these grabber screws. It's called the grabber screws. They will hold better. So you can find them in bunnies. Set it like that. Make sure the line is on the outside. We're gonna hit the other one. That's it. Now we're gonna do the next one. So this is done as well. Next, we're gonna install all the accessories. This is how to install roller blind. Thank you. See ya.